So I'm down in my basement right now. I just came back from teaching a wilderness survival day course. And this package was inside the door. Now, I've been waiting on this. It's a cool project that I'm going to share with you all. And just because I think it's rather cool. And what this is a motorized bicycle kit. So there's an 80cc two-stroke engine in here and all the accessories I need to motorize my mountain bike. So I'm going to show you what's in here in this video, and then I plan on putting it together in another video, and then we're actually going to take it for a test drive out in some trails that I know. First off, we have a lot of paper, and we have a box inside a box. So we'll take this box out and open that up. Just like that. It is taped together rather well, but we'll open this up and show you what's in there. Ah, that's rather cool. Has other boxes in here to keep it all separated. Now in this box here, we have a clutch lever. We've got a throttle cable plus a matching handlebar grip. We've got the chain tightener, the exhaust, and chain guard. And I also see a nut and two washers in here. So I'll get those out. And they're both lock washers. And I see here on the chain tightener, that's where it's missing. So I'm going to put that back in here, put the two lock washers on it, and then put the nut on so I don't lose it later. There we go. So that there is one box. I'm going to take out the next one right here. Ah, there we go. This is the gas tank. No scratches, no dings. It's in really good condition. So, bonus there. So I've got the gas tank in this one. CDI here. And the carburetor. I'm going to put all this back in the same boxes so I know where everything is. Now we'll take out what's in this box. In this box we have instructions, which has pictures in it, and that is written in English. I think this whole, yeah, this is all written in English, which is great for me. Cool. Here, what we have is that would be your throttle cable or clutch cable. I think I have both here. I have a throttle cable and a clutch cable here. Right there. This is your kill switch. and it's also part of your throttle. So your throttle will sit inside this, and this is your kill switch right there. And this is your engine right there. That's pretty hefty as well. Very cool, very cool. So get my engine. In here I've got my gas cap. Got a couple of wrenches in here. I've got spark plug. I've got this here's your fuel cock that goes inside your gas tank. You also have a little fuel filter, a couple springs for your clutch and your throttle. I believe there's a spring here for your throttle as well. And then your hose here that runs from your gas tank down to your... Yeah, it's the only hose I see. Yeah, it's the only hose. This one's for your... runs from your gas tank down to your filter, and then your filter to your carburetor. In here, and right here is your sprocket, and this is sprocket accessories to put it together. And then I have one clamp here that I'm not sure which one, where that one goes right now. I think it possibly could go to the exhaust, but it's to clamp something. I don't know yet. So that is the gear in this kit, and this here cost me roughly right around $200, and they say you can get up to 30 miles an hour, so 50 kilometers on a bicycle with this all set up and stock parts and such. So that is it right there. I watch a lot of videos on how to set it up and such. I am mechanically inclined as well, so I own motorcycles and work on my own cars and so on, so I kind of can look at it and know how everything goes anyhow, but videos always help. So this here, like I said, is a quick unboxing to film this and such. It's not the best location and so on, so I have to lay down. I've just got home, like I said, from teaching, and I haven't even changed yet. I wanted to share this with you and break it open. I was so excited, but very excited about putting this together. So if you're interested, I'm going to do a video on assembly and such, but yeah, this ought to be pretty cool. And like anything, you have to, of course, you know, you have to have safety in mind whenever you do any kind of project. I'm putting a motor on a bicycle, so you really, you know, safety's always first. So that's what's in the kit, and hopefully you get a chance to check out the next video of me putting this together. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.